Alright, this is pretty crazy. Charging 2 scooters, 42 volts. Using my WindyNation 200 watt solar panels. There's 200 watt solar panels. Riding this swamp cooler. This was in my previous video. Using 150 watt. I think it's 150 watt. I'll verify later. Harborfeight inverter. Hasn't overloaded yet, which is pretty crazy. I'm at 11.7. It's drawing a lot of voltage and current, but it's still handling it. It's not beeping, so that's pretty good. Pushing it, that's for sure. But if I buy a different inverter, a better kind, I'm sure I can run this thing without any issues. Anyway, I just want to show you guys that real quick. It's pretty amazing, man. This is a smart cooler. 1 amp pretty much, so 7 amps DC. Wow. Just quick estimation, calculation of the current draw from AC to DC. Alright, the sun's getting mad at me.